Rick Lees. Welcome to CADDY TV. Today we're going to talk about boxes.
Today we're going to talk about boxes.
Today we're going to talk about installing boxes in a drop ceiling for your exit lights, power supplies for your multimedia rooms, alarm klaxons, and what have you. Anytime you need to put a 4-square box or octagon box in the drop ceiling. I have a couple different ways to do this. Our 512 series. This is the original type product. You get a bar, a bag of clips, a bag of screws, snap the clip on the bar, install the clip in the box, tighten it down with a screw. This is our newer version, the 512 HD. It comes with the clips installed in the bar. All you do is pop the clip into the box, put the box in place, twist it and lock it in place, and you're done. So today we'll do something a little bit different. I'd like to have a volunteer from the audience to come up and
Ricky.
Like to have a volunteer from the audience.
Ricky.
Anybody?
Over here, Ricky.
Anybody at all?
Go.
All right, come on. So you get how this works. What you're going to have you do is, there's a box, screwdriver, bar, bag of clips, bag of screws. You're going to install that, and I'm going to install as many of the new style as I can in the time it takes you to install one.
Go.
So the 512 HD, it's stronger, it's easier to install, it's faster, all around, in my opinion, it's superior design. And did I mention that it typically costs less? So you get stronger, faster, better, and less money. So with CADDY, what we're always trying to do is make your life, your job easier, provide a lower installed cost. So with the 512 HD, not only you get a lower installed cost, but you get a lower initial cost. Are you almost done?
Boom, done.
You're the man. Ow.